everybody, welcome to this video. So first I apologize for not making videos. I wasn't just getting on which topic which I should make it on. Now I've got the topic. So I'm building a remote control for an RC plane, and that also I will build an RC plane, and I will also build its DIY remote control. It's a DIY. And for that remote control, first you need to learn how joysticks work. So that is the topic today. How do joysticks work? This is a joystick. This is the most common one that you can get for an Arduino. This is a normal one for PlayStations. So let's see what it has. So first, what we will do is first I will explain how this works. Then second, I will do some experiments. First experiment, attaching it to an Arduino and seeing it on the serial monitor, and then seeing the output on the serial monitor. Then we will also just run normal LEDs with it, and then finally we will learn how to use its button, both for the Arduino and for that. And for the LEDs too. So let's start. First, what are the joystick made of? Now, if I remove this cap, you can see what's inside. So this vehicle, basically, if you put a stick, and then if you put one over here, one stick over here, and then the stick is going down, and then you just put these loops, use of metal, and then they have slots in them. And then here and here to the sticks you put potentiometers, which are this one and this one. So when you move it here and here, this potentiometer is sensing. So this, I think this is the y-axis, and when you move it like this, and this one is sensing now, and when you move it like this, both are winning. Okay, so like that. So that's basically it. But actually there is one downside of building remote controls for RC planes with this, because these don't have throttles, meaning they're just centered. They should be centered from sides, but they shouldn't be centered from forward and backward. That they're just springs in this. So I wish there wasn't a spring in the forward and backward. You can also get those ones if you just type in Google or something that replacement joystick for RC control, and you can get it. But this is the one I have right now, so I'm building one from this. I will just order one like this one only. Okay, that's basically it. It also has a switch which I will talk about later. And when you can even press this top, and do you hear the voice? What happens if you press the top and this white stick sticking here presses down and it goes down, and then it presses the switch. So that's basically it. This is actually a module which is easy to use. There are even ones that are just only like this, and there are pins at the bottom. Okay, so the first experiment. Okay, so as you can see, this is a simple analog wheat cereal example from Arduino. I open the Arduino IDE, and this it says to connect it on analog pin A0. I'm not uploaded the code yet. I will upload first. Oh, I chose the wrong that. Okay. So I will first just select port. Yeah. So directing. Okay. Ready. Steady. Upload. Compiling. Loading. Yeah. Oh, it's done. And wait. And now, as you can see, here's my Arduino. Okay. Here's my Arduino. This joystick. I don't know why the TX LED is shining. Oh, because I've enabled the serial monitor. Okay. So let's start the serial monitor up. But we like to put the serial plotter to this. Hey, what's that whole thing? Why is it showing pulses? Wait a minute. I'll try. Okay, now it's showing a different waveform, but flowing is still stop. Let's. Okay, this is some. What's that whole random junk? Okay, so this isn't going well. So let's move on to the next example. Okay, so this is example number 2. Oh gee. What is this happening? Yes, wait, so these LEDs are kind of faintly glowing. These are faintly glowing. And so this LED is connected to the VRX and this is connected to the VRY. So I think the X is this and the Y is this. So if I increase, okay, so if I put this down, then you can see this is turned off. Then this. Okay. If I just increase this joystick on the x-axis, it lights up, and beware! I've connected this to the 3.3 volt. At 5 volt, these LEDs wouldn't survive. Okay, back. Then this, it turns it off. If I do it like this and this, okay. Okay, so yes. Now you can see that this LED also turned off, and now this LED turns on bright. If I move it to the... Okay, so now both of the LEDs are bright. Then I can do this and like this. Oh, it's like... It's really cool. If I move this around, then it will just... Okay, so that was a second example. Now for the... Now actually, I just taking the power from my Arduino. Now for the third example, you simply need another LED. We will first try it with the Arduino itself. And you will also need a spare wire. So here's a spare wire, and what you need to do is actually put its one end in the joystick, yes, and put its another end in the Arduino's reset pin. Yes. So now when you will click this joystick, actually this button is not connected to the plus line, it's connected to the minus. I think it was made to reset microcontrollers. I think that because when you click it, resets. So like if you're building in control for a car, I'm building in control for a plane, which I need two of these, so that it doesn't make any sense to do this. But if you're making a control for a car, then you can just add this, and then if you want to reset it, then you can just click it and it resets. And obviously this is there. So now let's see that exactly same thing with the LED. So you need to put the LEDs minus over here, then plus. It's plus, we need to put to the plus, obviously. Okay, so I didn't have any wire around here. Right, I can get it out, but I didn't want to get it out. So I have just got out its plus wire and put it in here. So it works. If I click this, you see the LED light up. And then if I leave this, the LED goes out. So that's how these joysticks work. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I will be also sending that how to make the remote control video in a while. Okay, so bye everybody, and thanks for watching this video. Okay, bye everybody, and please subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this. Okay, bye.